Welcome back, Odooers. My name is Jose Ignacio. Your warehouse efficiency hinges on two critical settings: removal strategies and reservation methods. Think of it this way: reservation methods determine which order gets the available stock first, ensuring urgent orders are handled. We have a video on that, link below as well. But removal strategies answer the next crucial question: which specific items should your picker grab? They help you minimize spoilage or reduce labor. Today, we're focusing on the 5 removal strategies that you can set up across your locations and products. Last in, first out, or LIFO. First in, first out, or FIFO. First expired, first out, or FIFO. Closest location and least packages. So, to begin, let's start with LIFO. So, LIFO is last in, first out. The LIFO strategy is simple. It always picks the newest products first based on the date they entered your warehouse stock. This strategy is perfect for products that don't expire, like furniture, office supplies, or building materials. Let's look at an example with cinder blocks. We have 3 lots. Lot 1 arrived June 1st, Lot 2 on June 3rd, and Lot 3 on June 6th. When we create a sales order for 7 cinder blocks, Odoo immediately looks for the latest arrival. The delivery order will reserve the items from, you guessed it, ding ding ding, lot 3, the one that just came in. This minimizes the movement of older, heavier inventory that might be stored further back. Okay, now let's flip it around. When should we reserve the first items that came into our inventory? That's the purpose of FIFO, or first in, first out. FIFO ensures products with the earliest available arrival dates are picked first. This is critical for preventing stock from sitting too long and becoming dated or obsolete, making it ideal for industries like, you guessed it, fashion, electronics, or other goods with short demand cycles. So, for example, let's say that we're selling t-shirts. We have one lot that arrived on August 1st and the second on the 25th. When a customer orders a shirt, Odoo uses the FIFO strategy to instantly suggest picking from the August 1st lot. This guarantees you are constantly cycling out your oldest inventory. But what about when we need to manage products that expire? When dealing with perishables like, well, you know what perishables are: groceries, medical supplies, definitely. We need the first expired, first out, or FIFO strategy. FIFO ensures 2 things. First, that you prioritize stock with the soonest expiration date. Second, you can set a removal date on the product lot. This removal date is a buffer, a configurable number of days before the item expires that forces, well, in this case, that forces the product to be removed from your actual sellable stock. This prevents expired goods from ever actually reaching a customer. Think of, like, in this case, we happen to have a grocery store selling cartons of eggs. You have 3 lots, one expiring on April 4th, the next on April 10th, and the last one on April 15th. If a customer buys eggs on, in this case, March 1st, Odoo immediately suggests the lot that expires April 4th. This powerful strategy ensures that you cycle through your inventory efficiently and eliminates the costly risk of selling expired goods, which you should not be doing, business owners. Remember that. Next up, closest location. And so the goal of the closest location removal strategy is pure efficiency. Save your picker time and steps. We want them to grab the item from the nearest possible shelf instead of walking across the warehouse. I have no idea, but you could have a huge warehouse like that one in the Indiana Jones movies. You know the one. Odoo achieves this by picking products based on the alphanumeric order of your storage location names. So here's how you use it. Imagine we store cable management boxes in 3 spots: pallets on the floor, as well as the 2 shelves above that. To avoid using a forklift for the shelves, we want to pick them from the floor first. The trick is to name your locations alphabetically. So in this case, we will label the closest spot, in this case the floor, as pallets. The next one up is going to be rack 1, and then obviously rack 2 for the next one. Because of this alphanumerical naming, Odoo will always suggest the items in pallets first over there, ensuring that your picker always takes the shortest, easiest routes. Finally, thank you for bearing with me. We have the least packages removal strategy. This is all about resourcefulness. It's designed for products stored in packages, and its goal is simple: fulfill the order by opening the smallest possible number of packages. This keeps your stock organized and you're picking fast. For example, imagine you have 10, or in this case, well, you have chocolate bars in boxes of 10 and 30. If you need 15 bars, a different strategy might make you open 2 boxes of 10. But with the least packages removal strategy, Odoo sees the box of 30 and reserves all 15 units from that single larger package. You get everything you need from one stop, saving you a ton of time and effort. So, there you have it. LIFO, FIFO, other acronyms like FIFO, closest location, and least packages. These 5 simple strategies give you total control over, and in this case, total control over when and from where your products are removed from inventory. Whether you're protecting profit margins by selling fresh products first with FIFO, or saving time and labor by minimizing package openings with least packages, Odoo empowers you to make informed, smarter decisions and more efficient inventory decisions as well. And the best part, you can set those powerful strategies on any storage location or product category in just a few clicks. Stop guessing and start optimizing. Happy inventorying, Odooers. Go grab a snack. We have edamame. Don't sponsor me.